This circle represents $1 million. Now here's $10 million and here's $100 million. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, has a net worth 117 times this number. And then, there's you. You're probably working a job you got with a degree you studied for years to earn. But you still don't have much in savings. Expenses feel ridiculously high. Maybe you're swimming in student debt, or worse, buried in credit card payments. You dream of wealth, but it feels distant, maybe even impossible. You see these millionaires and billionaires, especially the ones who got there young, and it baffles you. You wonder, how did they do it? Were they born into wealth? Did they cheat their way to the top? Maybe they just got lucky? And you? You feel stuck in a rigged game, playing on the losing side. But what if I told you you're wrong? What if I told you there's a formula, a science behind how money really works? To get there, we need to change the way you see money. First, let's debunk the myths you've been fed your whole life. Society teaches you that money equals a salary earned from a job. Study hard, get a good job, and live happily ever after. But here's the truth. This equation will never make you wealthy. Why? Because it trades the most valuable resource you have, time, for money. If you earn $20 an hour and work 40 hours a week, it would take you 24 years to earn $1 million. And that's without deducting taxes, expenses, or factoring in inflation. By the time you get there, most of your time and life will already be gone. So how do the wealthy do it? They have a better equation. They don't chase money, they solve problems. Every dollar earned is tied to solving a problem. If your solution fixes $1 million problem, you'll make millions. Fix $1 billion problem, you'll make billions. Take Amazon, for example. Jeff Bezos solved the inconvenience of shopping, long delivery times, and high prices. He didn't chase money, he chased solutions. But solving problems isn't enough. Your solution must be scalable. A restaurant serves only its local area, it's limited. But a franchise, that's scalable. A yoga instructor teaching one-on-one lessons, not scalable. But an online yoga course that runs 24/7, that's scalable. The key is to create solutions that don't require your time to grow. Automate, delegate, scale. And once your solution is scalable, you'll face a decision. Keep growing your business or sell it for a massive payday. That's what Instagram did when Facebook bought it for $1 billion. That's what Elon Musk did with PayPal, earning $165 million in the process. So what's it all for? Most of us don't dream of money itself. We dream of the freedom it gives. The freedom to buy that dream home, travel the world, or never worry about bills again. But let me remind you, time is your most valuable resource. Don't waste it chasing money. Chase problems, solve them, and build scalable solutions. Will this road be easy? No. Will it challenge everything you thought you knew? Yes. But at the end of this road lies freedom, the kind of freedom you've only dreamed of. So, are you ready to start solving? If you're ready to take the first step, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Let's solve problems and change your life.